Starry swirl and midnight hue. In silent towns, dreams drift anew. Fields of night, bright spirals cast, hold the world both slow and fast. In shadows dance, the whispers play. Moonlight threads the Milky Way. Brushstrokes bold in vibrant beams, painting colors in our dreams. In Van Gogh's sky halls gleam and flow, twinkling tales in cosmic glow. Every star a wish to borrow, guiding hearts through joy and sorrow. Lavender skies with golden fire, eclipsing doubts, lifting higher. Infinite hues with endless flight, chasing dawn from darkest night. Arc a path through velvet space, feel the twilight